Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can crop a image on Adobe Express. So first of all, I open up a design. So right now I open up 16:9 ratio. You can open up any design. So go to media, then type example purpose. I type here house, then view all. Then I open up this design. Otherwise go another one. So this one, this is really good. So just click on this image, but here is another option, crop. If you want to write it story, then keep it up, and if you want to it's square, landscape, and white screen, then portrait and sharp, then another one, and etc option available right now. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.